We are having a walk in our grandma's. We went to see the kids' grandma, and in her area we just went for a walk in the forest and wildness and bushes all combined. So we just passed the cows. I forgot to record that, but when we are back I'll do that. So it's going to be, we are going to finally end up at our final destination will be a lake. So we call this lake tour. And our little son is on the wagon with flowers and his dad, and my baby is in my back. This is my baby and this is mommy. Some stairs there for going uphill. This is so, now the lake is down there, down the hills. Something is making noise in the back. I don't know if it's a snake or what. You can hear it. It's like here some noises. So the lake is down there and we are going down to the lake. It's a grasshoppers. So the noises are from these plants. I think when they're blowing up, then they make noises. So this lake is man-made. It's not it's not like it was there. They were digging sand or for construction, and somehow this lake came about. So there's this here you can use. I'm not sure how they call it in Danish, love. What do you call this place where people read from? A shelter?
Yeah, for Boy Scouts.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. So people come here to camp. They maybe get shed there or put their mattresses in the night, and you see there's a fire. Here they can make a fire to chase away any wild animals if there's any. Or just to be warm if it's cold in the night. And there's this here, I think it's for cooking, right love? Yeah, it's for cooking if you have your meat or bread, like the Danish like it. Not for me, I love meat, but not the bread. So some years ago there were kids who are here reading some books. So there's also a dining table, VIP wooden dining table. So the lake is just here. So if you resting there or camping there or sleeping, then you can just, I think it was 4 years ago, love, there were many tents here when we were here, but now there's none. Times have changed. I don't know if it's because of COVID. We pass here. You can do it. Sit, fish, okay. So my husband says you can also do fishing here. So many activities, but the place is so quiet and dull. After COVID, there's been so many changes, and basically life has changed in different ways, and places you were that were crowded are now less crowded. Things have changed, but hopefully soon things will pick up. Round and round the lake. Now we are like in the lower, we came from up there, so we are down here now. So we're just going around the lake now. What's that, baby? Elio. Baby. Elio. So Elio is already enjoying. Elio, hi. Hi, Elio. Hi, stop, bro. So my big boy, baby. Big boy. Hi, big boy. He doesn't want to talk. He's not in a good mood. So he's already enjoying. Ellie, have you seen lake? You want to swim? Do you want to swim, baby? Oh, why, Elio? It's nice water. See, it's deep, I can imagine, right? The people swim here are really experts in swimming, professionals. You don't want to swim, baby?
Have you filmed that you can? It's very clear water.
Yeah, it's very clear, true, Lapsy. But it's just going deep. It's so deceitful. Here, you can say to yourself, ah, let me go. And then you don't know what will happen. Mosquito are also crocodiles. Sorry, mosquito means maybe in Danish it's mosquito. So my English is getting mixed up with Danish. But if I speak any Danish words, I'll be interpreting for you. So we are on the same page. Hi, baby. Ah, baby tired. So my little boy, he's called Elio. He's 2 years. Elio, say hi. Yeah, so he was in the wagon and my daughter was in my back. So she's now sleeping. It's just a very short trip, but she's already asleep. So we'll just put her in the baby wagon and continue moving. Yeah? Hi, baby. So? So our daughter, she just woke up from the long sleep. Oh, Vega, why putting your leg up, Vega? Vega, you have stories. So Vega, did you just wake up? Big girl. So she just woke up next to the lake. She's just sleeping next to the lake. It's called lake sleeping, Vega, right? So she just slept next to the lake. How awesome, Vega. Happy? Ah, kitty, 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 kitty. So a little baby boy is eating apple. Yummy apple? Yummy. So then Vega. Hi, little Vega. But this Vega, she loves putting her leg up like this. So she just woke up and we'll just move around. Hi, baby.
It's color green.
I think it's 6 time.
My name is Lala, la la la, Lala, la 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 la. Place now ends up as a hill because we were digging materials from there, and then this down here ended up as a lake. So we are just going round the lake, and anything interesting I'll show you. This is my family. My son is now walking. Our daughter is awake on the wagon with some palm leaf presents from the bush. And back to round. Yeah, I don't want Elliot to be in the video. So this is still the lake. So the water is so clear and nice. My name is Lala. La, 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 la. My name is Lala. So then, come Elio, the mile floats. So the lake is deep here. I don't want to go there now. I'm not in the mood of swimming, but it looks really nice. And it's a sunny day, so why not? So my son is swimming in the lake. It's quite cold, so they have to see how fast I try it out and see, like testing. Our daughter in the lake. Vega swimming. Oh, I think it's quite cold for her. Cold, Vega. Happy, Elio? So this one has been swimming. He's so happy. Happy, baby? boat here, probably for a local who goes fishing. And there's some people in the tree here. Let me zoom in. Probably you can't see them, it's a bit far, but we are going around the lake. We started from there, so now we are here. So we are going around. Probably they're still under that tree and we see what's happening. Maybe they're camping there. They're talking about if you stand here, you can, the whole day, probably you, with your fishing nets, you can get this huge fish this year. So you just have to pay 130 kronas. How much is that in Uganda shillings? Almost maybe 200,000 Uganda shillings. So why can't I use that money to buy a fish? 50,000, okay. Uganda shillings. That money can buy a fish, love. Or many fish. Okay.